Hi guys, it's me, Eva. Welcome back to Rainbow Day. Today I'm going to tell you how to put on your makeup beautifully if you want to go to a party, a concert, or maybe a date, or a rock star party for your favorite band. First, we will start with your lips, okay? Okay, first, let's get some red right on top. That looks pretty. I think I might put some red glitter if you have some. But first you need to put this glue like here. It's pretty sticky, not that. And now you get the face up and put the glitter on. You don't really have to face up. I could do it normally. And then get a paper towel and some towel. I don't even have a towel. Oh, real makeup on, so I just use my fingers. Okay, now we are starting over with our eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I'm gonna take some blue. It's not real makeup though. Put it right on your eyes, low on your eyebrows. Now use some red to make some teeny cute. And now I'm gonna put some glue and some sparkles. Now it's time to go on your eyebrow. Put some glue and make my eyebrows blue. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes. So my eyelashes will be cool in no time with some red glitter. And that looks perfect, right? Now it's time for your blush. Pink and white, I guess. And do that. Rub it in, and that looks perfect, right? Now it's time to do your stuff. Pick a dress, do your nails on your foot, do earrings, a ring, or maybe change your hairstyle look. I hope you liked the video. See you next time on Rainbow Day channel. Yep, you didn't see I was working real makeup. Well, I don't have real makeup though. I only have like this toy. Like there. Those pens can make something cool, right? See you on the next channel, Rainbow Day. Bye, fans. Hope you subscribe to the channel and watch more videos on my channel. Bye.